Come on, October in Guangzhou, shine with the Canton Fair, and your visit will make it truly meaningful. We warmly invite our partners to visit CARDI factory for a journey full of surprise designed just for you. We have prepared an unexpected gift for you and your families. Be the first one to explore dozens of universal and car-specific new items. Free samples available, paired with competitive pricing to boost your business. Offer a professional video shooting service featured on official channels to elevate your influence. There is an extra offer, such as a new car model or product idea. If adopted, we will start deep cooperation with exclusive benefits. You take the first step, we handle the rest. May your journey be filled with opportunity, warmth, and the glow of shared success.